this will affect the environment. Okay, so the increases in carbon dioxide led to chain large scale environment damage such as acid rains. The increase in carbon dioxide lead to large scale environment damage the acid rain whenever the pollutants released by burning of fossil fuel, it comes into atmosphere, and then when the sulfur dioxide are released in atmosphere, then the water mixed with sulfur dioxide to produce acid, and that is known as acid rain. This is very very dangerous, not only for the human beings but also for the plants. Okay, carbon dioxides that the remain in upper atmosphere will tend to trap sun rays, which is called the greenhouse effect and led to the global warming. So the carbon dioxide that remain in the upper atmosphere will tend to trap the sun rays. जनरली क्या होता है, जो सन से जो रेज आती हैं, they reflected back into the atmosphere, therefore the temperatures maintain in the atmosphere. But sometimes जब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का इंक्रीज हो जाता है, that do not reflect it back the heat from earth, that lead to the increases temperature of the earth, which is causes the global warming. Okay, peoples can become sick from breathing carbon monoxide emitted from the vehicles. Burning of coal release sulfur and nitrogen, which help from acid rain. Now some natural resources are limited. Petroleum, coal, natural gases, etc. are natural resources but available in limited amount. Thus, it is necessary to use them with care. So you can say that because to survive, or yeah, you can say that to conserve uh, fossil fuel, or to reduce the harmful effect of fossil fuel, we should यूज़ देम विद केयर. हमको इनका यूज़ क्या करना चाहिए, केयर के साथ यूज़ करना चाहिए. देयरफॉर we should not only conserve the fossil fuel, but we can also reduce the pollutions, or you can say that the different kind of global warming or greenhouse effects in the earth. Okay, so how we conserve fossil fuel and how we use them. So there are some steps to conserve fossil fuel, natural resources. Switch off the engines of vehicles when waiting on signal or at other places. So generally you have seen, जो गाड़ियाँ जो क्या होती है सिग्नल पे होती हैं ट्रैफिक्स में, आपने सिटीज़ में देखा होगा. सो द व्हीकल्स इन स्टार्ट में रहता है, सो एट दैट टाइम स्विच ऑफ होना चाहिए इंजन. देयरफॉर लेस पॉल्यूशंस क्या होगा, रिड्यूस होगा फ्रॉम द व्हीकल्स. ड्राइव द व्हीकल्स विद कांस्टेंट एंड मॉडरेट स्पीड. कांस्टेंट स्पीड में जितना हो सके उतना व्हीकल्स को क्या करना चाहिए, ड्राइव्स करना चाहिए. इफ़ इंक्रीजेज और डिक्रीजेज स्पीड होता है, देन इट प्रोड्यूस pollutions, lot of pollutions. Maintain the correct टायर प्रेशर फॉर लो कंजप्शंस ऑफ फ्यूल. जितना ज़्यादा टायर का प्रेशर हाई रहेगा, कंजप्शंस ऑफ फ्यूल लो होता है. सो इसलिए टाइम टू टाइम्स क्या होना चाहिए, इट शुड बी चेक्ड. जो क्या होना चाहिए, फिटनेस शुड बी चेक्ड ऑफ द व्हीकल्स. Maintains the vehicle by regular checking to ensure less consumptions of fuel. So these are the some important steps by which we can reduce not only pollutions, but we can also conserve the natural resources such as petroleum, fuel and etc. Okay, so that's all about this chapter, coal and petroleum. Next I will provide you the exercise about this chapter. Okay, so that's all for